The scenery appears as a work of art from above, with towering limestone mountains, meandering rivers, and endless rice fields. This is Ninh Binh, a place where history and nature coexist, and it leads us to Thien Ha Cave, also known as the Galaxy Cave, a hidden treasure. Our adventure starts from afar, soaring over the lush greenery, the meandering river, and the majestic Tuong mountain range. As the camera glides closer, a small boat drifts on the tranquil Ben Dang River, its oars slicing gently through the water. Gliding along the calm waters, limestone cliffs rise on either side, their rugged faces shaped by time. Bamboo groves arch over the river, casting dappled shadows on the path ahead. The further we go, the more we feel the presence of something ancient, something untouched by time. We move along the river, where life unfolds in a peaceful rhythm. A herd of buffalo grazes by the water's edge. Flocks of white egrets take flight, and local fishermen cast their nets. The gentle chatter of a boatman blends with the soothing sounds of nature as he shares stories of this mystical land. Finally, the river bends, revealing the entrance to Thien Ha Cave, a gateway to another world. Stepping into the cave, we are greeted by a mesmerizing world of stalactites and stalagmites, each formation telling a silent story of millennia past. The air is cool, the atmosphere serene. Sunlight filters through a natural skylight, illuminating the shimmering formations, some resembling mythical creatures, others like frozen waterfalls. The dry cave stretches before us, inviting exploration. Under the golden glow of natural light, the rock formations glisten, revealing their intricate beauty. This is where history whispers. Archaeologists have uncovered traces of prehistoric life here, dating back over 7,500 years. Deeper inside, we board a small bamboo boat once more. The underground river awaits, leading us further into the heart of the cave. Here, darkness embraces us, broken only by the soft glow of colorful lights reflecting off the water. The silence is profound, only the sound of dripping water and the soft paddling of oars echoing through the cavern. Stalactites hang like chandeliers from the ceiling, their reflections dancing in the still water below. It feels like drifting through a dream, a place untouched by time. As we emerge from the cave, sunlight greets us once more. The boat glides back onto the open river, where the world feels more vibrant after the journey through darkness. Let the magic of Thien Ha Cave captivate your senses. Explore its beauty, embrace its history, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Ready for an unforgettable adventure? Plan your trip today with Isatour and witness the wonders of Ninh Binh like never before.